Hello everyone. Believe me, I am in Goa. Believe me, I am in Goa on the way to Satre waterfall, and you can see the structure of the stone, something like Amazon forest. You can see the different layers, the moss, different types of planktons, and a huge tree on this stone, and side by a small rivulet flowing at maximum pressure. Be here someday and enjoy this nature. It's a very good place for the botany student, biology, nature lover, geography students. Everybody can be here and enjoy this, enjoy this, enjoy this. Be here someday and enjoy this nature, and thanks for watching.